Hello, my beautiful friends. Today we'll prepare 7 powerful lifting masks to help erase wrinkles, fade dark spots, and deeply nourish mature skin. All the masks are based on milk, a gentle natural ingredient that works wonders for tired, aging skin. First recipe, antioxidant lift. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of milk. Milk is rich in proteins, vitamins, and lactic acid. It hydrates, firms, smooths the skin, and gently brightens the complexion without irritation. Mix well. Benefits: this mask is packed with antioxidants. It nourishes tired skin and gently tightens for a fresher, more youthful look. How to use: apply to clean face, neck, chest, body, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then with cool. Pat dry and apply your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss natural beauty secrets that really work. Second recipe, firming peel-off mask. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of gelatin, 2 teaspoons of milk, mix well. Benefits: this lifting mask firms the skin, minimizes pores, and gives a gentle peel-off effect. How to use: apply to clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Let it dry completely, about 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then with cool. Apply a light moisturizer. Use 1 to 2 times a week. Friends, comment below and tell us where you're watching from. Third recipe, texture refining mask. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of rice flour, 2 teaspoons of milk, mix well. Benefits: this mask smooths skin texture and helps reduce pigmentation. How to use: apply to your face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Apply a light cream or moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. If you like this recipe, like the video, leave a comment, and share it with someone who loves natural skincare. Fourth recipe, deep nourishment. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cosmetic clay, 2 teaspoons of milk, one teaspoon of olive oil, mix until smooth. Benefits: this mask purifies and nourishes the skin, restoring softness and a healthy glow. How to use: apply evenly to clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Pat dry and apply your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Don't forget to subscribe. More glow-boosting masks are coming soon. 5th recipe, moisturizing care for mature skin. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of shea butter, 1 teaspoon of milk. Slightly melt the shea butter if needed, and mix well. Benefits: deeply hydrates the skin, improves elasticity, and restores smoothness. How to use: apply to clean skin, face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Finish with your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. 6th recipe, brightening and rejuvenating. Ingredients: half a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of milk, mix well. Benefits: helps fade dark spots, reduce redness, and reveal fresh, glowing skin. How to use: apply a thin layer to clean skin, face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse gently with warm water, then cool. Pat dry and apply moisturizer. Use 2 times a week. Seventh recipe, vitamin boost mask. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons of milk, a few drops of vitamin E, mix well. Benefits: boosts skin's moisture, strengthens elasticity, and protects from environmental damage. How to use: apply to clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Apply a nourishing moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.